Trading options on TradingView is now very easy. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, you need to find the option symbol you want to trade. Let's use PLTR as an example. Once you find it, go ahead and click Add so it shows up on your chart. Next, we need to connect a brokerage account. So click on the Trading panel at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several brokerage options depending on your country. For this tutorial, we'll use TradingView's built-in paper trading simulator. Just click on it, then click Connect. Once connected, you can now trade options directly on TradingView. Now let's look at the chart. You can switch between line chart and candlestick chart, but I'll leave mine as a candlestick chart for clearer analysis. To place a trade, click the Trade button. Change the order type to Limit Order and set your desired price. Let's say we want to buy at 1640. Then enter the number of units, let's say 3 units, and click Buy. You'll see that a limit order has been placed. To view it, check the panel where your open orders appear. It'll show the price, quantity, and type of order. Now, if you want to cancel that order, simply click Cancel, then confirm by clicking Yes. Selling options is just as easy. Follow the same steps. Set your sell price, example 16.05. Choose the number of units, for example 7 units. Click Sell. Your sell limit order will appear on the chart. You can also drag the order line up or down on the chart to change the price. After moving it, click Modify Order to confirm the new price. To cancel this sell order, click Cancel Order and confirm. Want to add more option symbols to your watch list? No problem. Just click the plus icon, search for any ticker, let's say Tesla, and you'll see the available option contracts. You'll notice expiration dates, strike prices, and whether it's a call or put. For example, you might see Tesla call 105, expiring May 2nd, 2025. Click Add to include it on your chart. And that's it. That's how simple it is to start trading options on TradingView. Another powerful tool you should definitely explore is the Option Strategy Builder on TradingView. Let me walk you through it. First, from the TradingView homepage, go to the top menu, hover over Products, and select Options. This takes you to the Strategy Builder, where you can create and test various types of option trades. You'll see a few predefined strategies like long call, short call, long put, short put. Just click on the one you want. For example, let's build a long call strategy. Once selected, the builder allows you to customize your trade. Here's what you'll see and how to use it. Option symbol. At the top, you can input the specific symbol you want to trade. There are a couple of default examples, or you can search for one manually. Expiration date. You can select your desired expiration. For example, if it shows May 16th, 2025, but you want May 2nd, 2025, simply change it from the dropdown. Strike price. Adjust the strike price using the slider or by typing it in. This will update your payoff chart in real time. Contract size. You can increase or reduce the size. For example, set it to 5 contracts depending on your strategy. Greeks. Visualization. Below, you'll find Greek options. If you select theta, the orange line on the chart will represent how time decay impacts your trade. If you switch to Vega, it'll show how volatility affects it. Each Greek gives you different insights into your trade. Now let's break down the chart you see. Blue line shows your profit and loss at expiration. Orange line reflects the selected Greek's influence. Green line displays your current profit and loss based on the live market price. You'll also see underlying price, max profit, sometimes infinite for calls. max loss. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Create Strategy at the bottom. You can name it something like Long Call Bullish and then save it. After saving, you'll see a summary, and that's it. This is how you create, test, and save option trading strategies right inside TradingView using the built-in Option Strategy Builder. It's great for learning and for refining your trading ideas before you go live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Today I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to start trading futures directly on TradingView. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and head over to TradingView.com. Once you're there, you'll land on a page like this. Now, if you don't already have an account, no worries. Just click on Get Started for free. It's completely free and no credit card is needed. You can sign up quickly using your email, Gmail, or even your Apple ID. It only takes a few seconds. Once you're done signing up and you log in, you'll be taken straight to your TradingView dashboard. The next thing you want to do is head up to the top and click on Products. Then select Super Chart. This will take you to the main TradingView terminal where all the trading happens. Now, over here on the right side, you'll see a button you can click to open up your watch list. The watch list is where you can keep track of the futures you want to trade. To add more symbols to your watch list, simply click on the plus sign right here. Make sure you select Futures from the category list. From there, you can start adding different futures contracts. For example, you can add crude oil futures. Just click the plus sign next to it. You'll see it appear immediately in your watch list. You can also add silver futures, gold futures, and any others you want to track. Just click the plus sign beside them and they'll be added. Once you've added everything you want, just click Close. Now you have a full list of futures trading symbols ready for you to trade directly from this platform. Next, we're going to connect a brokerage account to TradingView. This step is important because it lets you take demo trades and even live trades directly from the platform. Go ahead and click on Trading Panel. When you do that, a list of trusted brokers will appear. You'll see options like Capital.com, Pepperstone, TradeStation, Forex.com, TradeNation, and many others. Depending on which country you're trading from, you can choose a broker that suits you best, sign up with them, and then link it directly to your TradingView account. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect to the paper trading simulator, which is basically a free demo account. To do that, just click on Paper Trading, and then click Connect. Now, just collapse the trading panel by clicking here to keep your workspace clean. And that's it. You're now ready to start placing demo trades on futures using TradingView. Now that we've connected our broker to TradingView, we can actually start taking trades directly on the chart. Let's walk through it. First, let's select a futures symbol to trade. Now, let's say you've done your analysis and you want to enter a buy trade. Here's what you need to do. Right-click anywhere on the chart. Go to Trade and then select Create New Order. You'll see the order ticket pop up. Here, you can set how many units you want to buy. Let's say we want to buy 10 units. Simply type in 10 and then click Buy. Once you click Buy, your order will be placed immediately. You'll see a confirmation like Limit Order Executed on CME, and your position will show up right on the chart. You can even see your live profit and loss updating. For example, we're already up $25, $30 right now. If you want to close the trade, it's super easy. Just click on Close Position right here. You can either close the full trade or partially close it. But for now, click Close Position to close it completely. And just like that, the trade is closed. Now let's look at how to enter a sell trade. Again, right-click on the chart. Go to Trade and select Create New Order. This time, make sure you select Sell. Let's say we want to sell 5 units. Before placing the sell order, you can also set your take profit and stop loss levels directly inside the order ticket. Once you've set everything, just click Sell. Now, your sell position is live. you'll see sell limit order, your stop loss line, your take profit line. You can even adjust your stop loss by clicking and dragging it up or down on the chart. Once you move it, just click Modify Order to save the new level. Same thing for your take profit. Drag it to wherever you want, click Modify Order, and your new target is set. If you want to cancel the trade, it's simple. Just click the small star button next to your open position. Confirm by clicking Yes, and the order will be canceled successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to place and manage futures trades directly inside TradingView. If you found it helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tutorials like this. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.